So I will talk to you about the theory behind the Cheerios effect. The Cheerios effect is a phenomenon that occurs when two objects that are floating get attracted to each other. So why does it occur? It occurs because of surface tension of the liquid. Surface tension of the liquid is property of the liquid to resist to an external force. So how does it occur? The first thing that happens is a meniscus form under the objects that are floating. It can be a concave or a convex meniscus. A concave meniscus occurs when it's a hydrophilic object that is floating, which means that it's attracted to the liquid it's on, and the liquid gathers around the objects. A convex meniscus occurs when it's a hydrophobic object, which means that it's not attracted to the liquid it's on, and the liquid forms a little bump under the objects. In the case of Cheerios, it's concave meniscus because the O in the Cheerios creates a depression in the milk and therefore forms a concave meniscus. Then the floating objects meet and their meniscuses fuse. So how does it happen? The Cheerios in your milk rotate about the plane of the milk, of the surface of the milk, and when they found the optimum orientation, they start to approach and then get attracted. The scientists came up with a formula to measure the force between two Cheerios that are attracted. This formula is 2 pi gamma r b to the 5th over 2 power times the contact angle K1 and times I over LC. Let me define those variables for you. So gamma is the surface tension, r is the radius of the object, b is the bond number, K1 is the value of K1 modified, I is the floating distance between the two objects, LC is the meniscus length scale, and this sign is the contact angle.
Sigma.
So now let's come back to your bowl of Cheerios. In your bowl of Cheerios, there's two kinds of attractions. There's a Cheerios to Cheerios attraction and a Cheerios to the bowl attraction. The first one, the Cheerios to the Cheerios attraction, is easy to understand. Two Cheerios have a concave meniscus and they attract, like I said before, by aligning and then fusing together. The Cheerios to ball effect is a little bit more complicated. Since the Cheerios have a concave meniscus, the milk that is on the edge of the bowl also forms a concave meniscus, which then attract the Cheerios to stick to the side of the bowl. Now my colleagues are going to talk to you about the Cheerios effect in everyday life phenomena.